Xiaomi will unveil the 15 and 15 Pro smartphones at an event on October 29th, and ahead of that it started to run a steady teaser campaign, revealing a few details about them along the way. Today we have official confirmation that the Xiaomi 15 Pro has a 6100 mAh battery. Additionally, the screen has 1.38mm symmetrical bezels on all sides, as well as full brightness DC dimming, 10% less power consumption, and 3200 nit peak brightness thanks to the custom M9 materials used. But wait, there's more. The Xiaomi 15 Pro is also officially confirmed to sport a 2K resolution screen and a 5x periscope telephoto camera on the rear. Of course, the 15 and 15 Pro will both use Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and this will be paired with a Xiaomi self-developed microarchitecture scheduler, which should result in a 19% increase in task execution efficiency and a 45.7% reduction in app startup response time.